If you want to grow your subscriber count or reach a certain audience, you have to put out content that people are actually searching. This is where the titles to your videos really come in handy. As you all can see, over the last week or so, I've gained so many subscribers. And it's still moving up the ladder, but there are some things that I've done personally to make sure that I see the results that I'm looking for. When you're creating content, you want to be genuine as well. You don't want to just lose the authenticity because, oh, you think the title is going to reach the crowd that you need it to. Come from the heart and teach with experiences and relatable things that people can relate to. Even for small YouTube creators like myself, I've seen that once I found my target audience and I tailored my information to that, my subscriber and view count did increase. Remember that people want authenticity no matter what, and sometimes people are going by the cameras and the microphones and stuff. Y'all have seen me with the microphone and I have to get another one. But do what works for you, but start with your phone and learn your phone. That's a big thing, to learn your actual phone. You'll be surprised how you can copy and paste and edit and do things from your phone that will allow you to create even a thumbnail or reachable content that people are more willing to look at. So when you're creating, you have to remember that certain topics may not be what you're good at speaking about. Like, I know that I post things that are like, faith driven, as well as like relaxation. And sometimes I'll just, post shorts and stuff. But those people who enjoy my shorts and my presence, they show up, and I can see that through the algorithm and the analytics. They show up, they are present, they're ready to see more because it's coming from a genuine place. Another thing that I've noticed is that, like, certain videos, they may not have done as good as they can do view-wise, but the ones where, like, I know what I'm talking about. You have to remember that people can sense that, people can see that, and they also look at your channel to see if what you're speaking about has been proven. I don't even think it's about the number of subscribers that they see. It's the fact of, hey, how many people are taking this view and giving this video a chance as well. I know that, like, if I see a video that has, 600 views, I'll probably click on it, and I understand that when you first put the video out, you have to, wait for it to reach the audience. But just do it from the heart, do it from purity, research what you're talking about, speak about something that you're fluent in, and ensure that it reaches the crowd that you're wanting to reach. Because respectfully, if someone likes anime and you call yourself talking about anime, but you know nothing about it, they're going to be able to sense that. So just make sure that you're staying on course with what you're talking about. Make sure that the things that you're delivering are authentic and they actually can use the information. People want to gain something when they're watching your videos or on YouTube, period. They're on YouTube to listen, to learn, and to, just reach a new connection with someone. So if you have 1,000 people or 2,000 people talking about the same thing, make sure that you kind of stand out. And I understand that everyone is not an editing fan, but do what you can. Use feedback from other YouTubers, small creators, and use what you kind of know. And so when you learn to use your phone and you research certain topics and you have experience to base your video off of, people can sense that they're more susceptible to listen. And that's the thing. You have to want YouTube and people who are visiting your channel to not only click on your video, but to listen. And a few upcoming YouTubers where they've done like storytelling, or they've done like detailed like journal making, or like budget friendly videos where they're literally on camera telling you how they budget their paycheck. So it's like, find something that you're comfortable with speaking on. And about the niche thing, I mean, I guess that develops over time, but as you all can see, I'm going with the mind and body. Hey, I love to cook. I'm faith driven. I can speak eloquently. Might not always be on subject, but people can relate. They can see the authenticity with things that I'm posting and things that I'm doing. And that allows them to come back, or when it says, hey, a new video is out, they're more willing to look at it and give it a chance. Although I'm an upcoming small content creator. Ensure that you are looking at the viewer's perspective as if it was you. Like if you were to click on a video, how would you want somebody to speak? Just be authentic and upload videos that people are actually searching for on YouTube and things that people want to actually see, and research and learn about it to perfect your knowledge, because that's really what people want. People want someone that's fluent in what they're doing, and they actually kind of want to see how your metrics have been playing out, although they act like they don't, but they want to see that it's proven facts that you're stating that actually helped you get to where you're at. So they can sense that and they want to hear that, but it's your delivery. They want an authentic person. They want someone that's actually knowledgeable and someone that they can see like, oh, okay, they moving up the ladder. Hey, their videos are getting better and better. Their views are getting higher. Just the truth about YouTube growth. So if you like the video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more. And I'll be coming to you all with these little gems on small snippets, even if I have a little bit of time, because 5-6 minutes of your time can give you the information that you're needing. So don't be afraid to research. Editing, you can learn to use your phone. Canva, Filmora, all those apps are also great too. Just learn to use the techniques and the apps that are given and perfect your craft as far as speaking about things that you're actually knowledgeable about. And you will see that that can make a difference as well on your channel. Goodbye.